Today I am going to show you how the Depth Wallpaper and Live Clock app works and how you can use it to apply iPhone style depth wallpapers on your Android phone. First we open the application. After opening the app you need to allow notification. Once you do that you see a simple and clean interface. At first glance it looks very simple, but there are actually a lot of features here that you need to understand. Now if you want to make your Android phone looks like an iPhone, especially the wallpaper and lock screen, I am going to show you some easy steps. Just follow these steps and you will be able to do it easily. So first, if I tap here, you can see a section called Nature Collection. For example, if I choose this wallpaper, the first thing I need to do unlock the wallpaper. To unlock it, tap there. Normally this takes you to their premium subscription page, but you can also unlock by watching an ad. And besides that, there are also many free wallpaper available which you can try. Even in the free section, there are many really nice wallpaper. When you tap on a wallpaper, it will start downloading. You will see the progress until reach 100%. Once the download is complete, the wallpaper will appear here. There will be a short loading process. After that, you can press the apply button. From here, you can preview how it will look on lock screen and home screen. And a special part is the clock moves behind the subject just like on iPhone. Okay, let me show you another example so you can understand even better. So I select this wallpaper. Once I select it, you will understand this real effect, and now it's ready. Next I press the apply button and I choose home screen only. Right now I am not applying into the lock screen because applying it to the lock screen would stop my recording. Now look, when I press home button, the wallpaper is saved on my home screen. You can see the time here 12:52. So this is how easily you can apply depth wallpaper on your Android phone. You can use it on the home screen or lock screen wherever you want. But that's not all. This app also has customization settings. Here you get clock setting, lock screen clock, home screen clock, 12-hour format. There is also an animations setting section. From here you can customize animation the way you like. Clock animations will give your phone a really nice visual effects. There are many animation style available. You can explore and choose the ones you like best. You can also enable the 3D effect. There are many useful features inside this app that you might really enjoy. There is also a studio section. Inside studio you can customize everything the way you want. You can adjust exactly what you need. You can personalize the wallpaper however you like, and like I mentioned earlier, the premium version includes even more advanced feature and wallpapers. If you want this app, you can find it in the video description box. You can check it out from there. It's a really nice app and definitely worth trying at least once. On this channel, I don't waste your time with unnecessary talk. I try to keep my videos short, useful and straight to the point. I mainly create video about Android customization, Android personalization and Android security. If you are interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe to get to the channel and support me. That's why I can continue bringing you more helpful videos like this.